Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We'll present about multi-level marketing. Nowadays, one of the economic strategy is entrepreneurship. We've always been a concern and changing along with the times. It will give a positive effect to the economic development of country. In this modern business, multi-level marketing (MLM) is an activity that included 3 or more levels that supply the product to practitioners of the MLM to promote it to the customer. The critical issue of the multi-level marketing is there are certain parties are often equated to pyramid scheme due to basic similarities of both business models. This issue has become a hot topic around the world and got criticized among pessimists. The truth is, MLM different from the pyramid scheme because MLM business based on actual product or service sold, while the pyramid scheme is an endless chain distributor scheme in which their main income sources is recruit the new members or participants.
Next, I will explain the multi-level marketing in two perspectives. Islamic perspective said every transaction can be done and halal as long as there is no dalil and factors that prohibit in transactions. In Islamic business, it was one of the recommend to improve socio-economic and it will help others because it will give the job opportunities to others. In Sharia perspective, said it was haram and the purpose of this dealing is to earn commissions, not to buy the product. Multi-level marketing are involved in exchange of goods of the same type but different quantity. Riba al-fadl. In multi-level marketing, members pay an exorbitant membership fee in cash with hoping get extra cash in return. This was not underlying business transaction.
In public eyes, the members of MLM earn profit without spending capital and less effort. Therefore, they fail to distinguish MLM with pyramid scheme, which is hidden behind MLM. They assume that the upline gain commission from the downline sale. The truth was, the member needs to have startup capital and operating costs as well as high effort to achieve high incomes. The upline plays important role as trainers to downline members. They teach them what to do to get high incomes, such as promotion. And a little information on pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme promise large reward with small investment. The older members able to make more money while the new members will lose because they have to recruit more members to gain profit.
Next is suggestion. There are few suggestions to overcome the public's confusion regarding the Sharia issue of MLM company. First and foremost, the management of MLM company need to provide a report from their Sharia advisor about Sharia compliance assessment and make it easy to be accessed by public through the official website of any legitimate MLM company. Secondly, for those who are expert in the MLM industry or even in Sharia expert in this field can read, understand, evaluate and thus can give positive feedback and criticism. They may help the other to know the right thing about the MLM. We as a Muslim must know the basic knowledge of halal haram. We need to try our best to properly understand the fact of the concept of multi-level marketing. Finally, the people out there will have the confidence to choose MLM business if the authority makes a clear clarification about the MLM concept that follow the Sharia compliance. The people also can take the opportunity to involve the MLM business so that it can increase the income and their living.
Its theory and concept. Multi-level marketing was not prohibited and halal in Islamic business. Multi-level is different from pyramid scheme because pyramid scheme have riba and gara. It have riba and gara because in their selling it was a transfer scheme that used certain marketing tools that was illegally achieved financial success for some by imposing a direct loss on the other, and they are inconsistent with establishing a payable retail base. That transaction was prohibited because only one person that was under pyramid scheme will take all the loss. Next, National Council of Islamic have approved that the MLM was allowed, and the regulation concept and structure of MLM doesn't have anything that prohibited in Islam. The product of MLM must not expensive and reasonable based on their quality, and every seller in multi-level marketing has an opportunity to build on structure of segment in which everyone is rewarded based on the marketing plan valid for each company. In level marketing industry, there are some structure that used in compensation. For example, unilevel structure. Unilevel compensation plan is the simple, more straightforward kind of payment plan used by multi-level marketing companies.